Hi, I'm Professor Kumar and I lead the foundation program at Srishti Manipal. The program is actually a common program for all BDES and BUFA students at Srishti. Foundation program is a broad-based program which is actually looking to bridge students from the school to the specialization program that they start from the second year. So we actually term it as an unlearning space. This unlearning actually wants to build a curiosity into the students. We have topics like liberal arts, generic skills to be learned, and then contextual inquiry. Recently we had a class which was studying the grasslands of Bangalore. It could begin from there and go to a craft sector, and we have something called study of social ecology, which actually takes students to the nook and corners of India and study the livelihood, the craftsmen. These are researched on the field and documented, which enables them to be prepared for the second and third year specialization area. I hope this covers a good bit of foundation program, but we have a lot to say to you. Please contact us for any queries or drop by and we would be happy to help you out.